everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to change the DPI settings on your Samsung phone. So if you're looking at how to do so, you may follow up these methods and that should do it for you. So first of all, open up your settings app. And the thing is, you need to have the developer options on. If it is not turned on, you can turn it on and basically go ahead and access your developer options. Now, once you go to the developer options, within developer options, you can use the search icon at the very top and just go over and look out for minimum width. Minimum width. This one right here. And tap on it within developer options. Or you can even scroll down to the very down and find the section for drawing, and there you should be finding minimum width. Sometimes it is also leveled as the smallest width available. Now once you find the minimum width, what you need to do is tap on it and you just need to enter up your desired DPI value. So you just need to go over and enter it up. If you want 400, you can set it up to 400 or 420. Then higher the number, it will make the text and icon smaller. A lower number makes them larger. So you just need to click on OK once you apply it up, and that should apply up the settings and probably change up the settings. Your whole system will be refreshed and you will be finding the changes directly available with the minimum width option available, and that's how you change the DPI settings on your Samsung phone. Sometimes doing so can probably affect how the apps display or may also cause glitches, so make small adjustments and restart your phone to see the effects. But that is it, everybody. You can just go over and follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.